Dear students, in today's class, we are going to learn about blood and its functions. So before understanding the function of blood, let us understand the composition of blood. So here you can see blood is made up of two things. The one is your plasma and the second one is the cellular elements. So basically here you can see plasma is the liquid part which is yellow in color, and in this plasma all the cellular elements are suspended. So what are these cellular elements? Let us find out. So the first one is your RBCs. The other name of RBC is erythrocytes. The second one is WBCs. The other name of WBC is leukocytes. And the third one is platelets. And the other name of platelets is thrombocytes. So here in this picture you can see the image of blood vessel. So blood flows in the blood vessel, and the composition of blood are white blood cells, platelets, red blood cells and plasma. So if we talk about the composition or the percentage, then plasma contributes 55%, whereas the cellular elements contributes 45%. So dear students, you must have observed that the color of RBCs are red in color. So do you know the reason why the blood is red in color? Come on, let us find out the reason behind it. Hemoglobin is the red color pigment which provides red color to the blood. Now let us know what is the function of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transport it to all the parts of the body and ultimately to all the cells. It will be difficult to provide oxygen efficiently to all the cells of the body without hemoglobin. Now let us talk about the function of platelets. Platelets are also known as the thrombocytes, and these are responsible for blood clotting. If the blood vessel wall becomes damaged, platelets will rush to the site of injury and form a plug or clot to stop the bleeding. If platelet count is low, the risk of uncontrolled or prolonged bleeding increases. When there is too much platelets in the blood, it may lead to abnormal blood clot formation. Now let us talk about the function of WBCs. They protect you against illness and disease. Think of white blood cells as your immunity cells, and these WBCs are also known as the soldier of the cells. In a sense, they are always at war. They flow through your bloodstream to fight viruses, bacteria and other foreign invaders that threaten your health. So dear students, I hope you all have understood about the composition of blood. So let us quickly revise the composition of blood. Blood consists of two components. The first one is your plasma and the second one is your cellular elements. Plasma is a liquid matrix of blood, whereas cellular elements includes RBCs, WBCs and platelets. The function of red blood cells are to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide, whereas WBCs, the function of WBC is to protect our body from invaders, or you can say it protects our body from pathogens, whereas platelets, it has a clotting factor. It involves the clotting of the blood. Now finally we are going to talk about the function of blood. The first one is it delivers oxygen, a nutrient, to all body cells. The second one is it transports waste products from cells for elimination. The second one is it transports the hormones Fourth one is it maintains the body temperature. The fifth one is it maintains pH. And sixth one is your maintain fluid volume. And the seventh one is it prevents the blood loss, or we can say it helps in the clotting. And eighth one is it prevents infections. Like we know in the blood we have WBCs, which protects our body from disease causing microorganisms. Dear students, I hope you all have understood about the blood composition and its function. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.